My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we're going to unbox our June 2020 CurlBox. Y'all know this is one of my favorite boxes. I am all about the hair. So, for those of you who are not familiar with CurlBox, it is a monthly subscription box of all things natural hair. Be it curly, be it thick, be it thin, whatever your texture is, there is something in a CurlBox just for you, and it is $25 per month. That does include your shipping. However, this service is so good. It's always on a first come, first served basis. They do open it up once a month, so you have to be on the lookout for it. And when it opens up, be one of the first to get on the list, okay? Now, our CurlBox, did I tell you that they also offer non-subscription box services? Those are a little bit more expensive, and sometimes they're a little bit more exclusive brands, but either way, they are worth having. They did have a CurlBox Man this month, which they usually do during the Father's Day month. However, that thing went so fast. But nonetheless, let's jump into this one. So this is what the description card looks like that comes each and every month with a different model on the cover. This month it's about hair rescue. And, oh yes. It says, we're saving your damaged strands this month with our Hair Rescue Box, a reparative detoxifying regimen curated by ORS, utilizing bioactive delivery technology, a method of infusing nutrients and antioxidants into the hair and scalp. These products will help you recover your healthiest curls. Okay, and we also get our Hey Girlfriend card and a card from the featured company about the products. So let's see what they are. All right, now the first product that we have when we open it up, okay, let's start with the shampoo. This is beautiful. Okay. This is a marbleized looking shampoo. Can you see that? Look at that. It looks marbleized in there. That's gorgeous. Okay, we don't really care what it looks like, but we really do. And this one says ORS Hair Repair Scalp Rescuing Detox Shampoo. This is sulfate free. It detoxifies, soothes, and moisturizes as well as balances. It says high performance scalp and hair fix inspired by skincare. Advanced treatment shampoo formulated to detox scalp and hair from buildup and impurities that can clog pores, irritate scalp, or lead to dry, dull, weighted down strands. All right. And the directions are just shampoo as normal and rinse well and repeat if necessary. And this is a 13 fluid ounce size. And you know, I love it when my shampoo has a pump on it. So this is item number 1. Then we have Anti-Breakage Conditioning Cream for weak and damaged hair. Okay. And this one says the problem: daily styling abuse and chemical treatments have weakened your hair, leaving your strands brittle and prone to breakage. The fix: Strand Refortify. Rich in fatty acids, essential for strong, healthy hair, coconut oil and African baobab oil condition and nourish weak strands. The result: helps to prevent breakage for stronger, healthy looking hair. And now I didn't open the shampoo, but I will open this one. Okay, y'all, here we go. It smells so good. And I knew that it would because it does have coconut oil. So if you are not a fan of coconut oil, if you have an allergy to coconut, this is not the product for you. So just be very careful and pay attention to those things that you know you are allergic to. The next item is the Scalp Rescue and Detox Mask. Okay, now this one, it says can be used as a pre or post shampoo treatment, okay? That's pretty good. And apply to your hair in sections, combing from the root to the ends. Nice. Now, either way, you must rinse this thoroughly, okay? And you know, this kind of has like a medicinal smell to it. It's very, very thick. Very thick. But it definitely smells medicinal. But I am not mad at it. I think this is probably something that I would use when after protective style. And this one is also an 8-ounce jar, okay? This packaging is gorgeous, definitely gorgeous. Then the next item is vital oils for dry, damaged hair and scalp as well. And this one says the problem: your hair and scalp feel undernourished and dehydrated. The fix is right here in my hand, okay? And this one says Strand and Scalp Rescue, formulated with nutrient-rich coconut, African baobab, grapeseed, and sweet almond oil. This lightweight hydrating oil helps condition and nourish damaged strands and dry scalp without weighing hair down. And the end result is richly moisturized and soothed while moisturizing hair and enhancing shine. Just put it on the scalp and massage gently from the scalp also to the strands of hair. And the last item we have is the Scalp Rescuing Detox and Renew Concentrate. And this one defies, soothes, moisturizes, and balances for all hair types and textures. And that's this one right here. Now this one does tell you to do a patch test. That's interesting. Okay. I've never seen that before. Okay, it's telling you to do a patch test to check for allergies to any of the ingredients. Thank you for looking out for us, ORS. Okay, now these are the items in this month's June 2020 Curl Box. I will list the total. Okay, now I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today and unbox the June 2020 Curl Box. Now, by all means, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.